What's up, guys? As you can see, it's daylight. I finally caught some daylight and I got some warm weather and I'm feeling a lot better. I'm getting my voice back. We had a little issue last night with some of the RCAs being broken and one of the splitters being broke, so we weren't getting a good signal to our amp. I could tell a little bit, but this thing really powerful, so it's hard to tell if something's not working properly because it still beats so hard. But we're getting ready to get out and we're going to give you guys a little demonstration of what I'm talking about. But the upgrade's coming soon and it's going to beat even harder, so check this out, guys. And that's what we got going on back here. This is just the prep for the upgrade. I'm getting everything cleaned up, making sure everything's functioning as it should, and just getting a good step off point, see where we're at, and get everything the way it needs to be, guys. So that project's coming up real soon. Stay posted. But let's go get this sound demo. That sound is the ABS wheel speed sensor causing the ABS to activate. But as you can see, that's the 26s on here. Sorry, guys. See, there was just a tad rub, but I think it catches the fender a little bit still. But we just turned around in this tight little space here and pulled in from the road, pulled right in, whipped it right around to right here, as you can see. I don't think I can sit here and beat, so we're not gonna have the bass on right now for just a minute, guys. We're gonna pull out here. We're gonna get back moving again. What up, trappers? We're out here, we got the audio test. Man, you see that right there? That's my guy Wookie Jones. You see that Tahoe in the back? Rode up on him, man. We seen him. I got the camera, so we're about to do it. We're gonna give you this audio test.
This ain't turned down.
Oh,
this ain't turned down.
I got to turn it down. They're making me turn it down. I can't bump it here, so we gonna have to find a different spot. Wookie got it. That's my hood and my roof. I'm telling you, this thing's lit. Oh man, this guy's pissed. This guy's pissed. So we're getting in this right now. Damn. Alright guys, we are getting out of here. That guy was pissed, but it was banging. So we're gonna try a different spot here. Damn, I need some heat, man, it's cold. So we're gonna try a different spot here and see if we can redo this. Sorry, guys. All right, guys, we're in a different spot. You can hear that behind me, bang, it's metal. And my doors are open, so it's not even closed up. You see this Tahoe on 24s. That's real nice. We're gonna check that out. We're gonna turn this down here in just a minute after we get to this clip. That's the hood rattling all the way up here. It might blow that hatch open. It might blow that. No, the front window's down. I was gonna say it might pop a hatch. All right, guys, there you have it. That's the before the upgrade audio shot there. We got that checked out. We got to turn down now. It is cold out here. The sun's starting to set. So before it does, we're gonna get Wookie here on the channel and get his Tahoe on 24s. Boom, there he is, creeping up on him. My guy, Wookie.
Dairy Queen, man. We got the kids out here. Y'all already know what it is, man. It's a project in the making. Y'all know what it is, man.
So what are you showing us today? Check us out.
Bunch of wires.
Bunch of wires. Let's see what you got back here. God,
yeah, I'm
wired up.
The rest of that up, man.
There's two Hypercars in there.
Man, there's two Hypercars, two of the same amps that you one of the amps on the highs, man. It's, yeah.
Loud, it's gonna bang. These 18s.
And I'm still holding somebody Dairy Queen, man. I don't know whose it is, but I got somebody Dairy Queen.
Man, that looks good too. About to be my Dairy Queen.
They wanted Dairy Queen, it's his birthday, so got the truck out. Boy, you did your thing in that truck, man. Man, you did your thing with it.
You like them wheels?
I like it. I like the truck, man. You did your thing on it, man.
Good, right on. Thank you, man. Thank you. There's still a lot to come, man. Still a lot to come.
You did your thing on the truck, man. I promise to God you did, man.
Hell yeah. Thank you, man.
That.
So what do you got here? Tell us what you're rolling right here. Because we know you got the other one at the house. We're gonna save that one for a video.
Yeah.
We ain't even gonna tell them.
98 Tahoe on foes, man. Doing the custom material, man. I got two 15s in the back, two 18s. It's a little bit more to go with that, but yeah, it is what it is, man.
You still got your headlight LEDs in?
Yep.
Turn them on. Let's see them.
No. I ain't doing it.
Oh.
Something else, man. I'm doing the whole thing that what you got going on, man. So
we're gonna wait and show them?
Happy takeover. That's where we at, baby. Ow! That's where we going.
Hell yeah. You got the underglow kit?
Huh?
You say
I took those off. I'm putting those on there. I got those at the house that I'm putting on there. The LEDs.
the underglow, RGB.
I'm going through the whole thing, man.
Yeah, I love the color flip, man. It's great.
That's what I'm going with, man. I already got it. I already got it at the house. I just ain't did it yet.
Right.
I still got the old stuff that's up under there, man.
I got ring lights coming, valve RGB, valve stems, stupid stuff, man. I've been looking for all kinds of crazy shit.
I know, man. I know.
For
it's
real.
gonna be crazy, man.
But you know what I said? You
It's
see
gonna
this?
be a crazy something.
You see this running board that you got right here? This clean, smooth black plastic. I said that's what my truck needs.
Yeah.
With them big wheels and sitting
Yeah,
up, that's what it
yeah.
needs, man. For real. Look,
Yeah.
if I put them on there with them wide tires and the way it sits up, that's what it needs. It'll clean that whole bottom up. Both these trucks look good. Let's get them both in the shop. Yeah, 24s, 26s, man, booming. And this is what we're doing out here tonight, guys. This is the trap. Beautiful day, beautiful day. We were blessed with a beautiful day, and I think everybody's out enjoying it. I seen Justin out rolling around in his Mustang. He might still be out and about. If so, maybe we can catch a glimpse of him. Wookie got the 18s in here. What are these? Super Pro 2000 watt total power. You got two of them, and you got the two 15s. The two 15-inch massive is ported on the ends. I don't know. I don't see any ports on this 18 unless they're on the back side. But you know, he got some stuff in here where he's been working and doing stuff. You know, he got the Euro tail lights on 24s. 24s, and I seen the sticker on one of these wheels. I know I did. This front one right up here. I know I seen the sticker on one of them. So I know it's brand new. This got brand new tire. Yeah, see that sticker? Yeah, that's how you do it, man. You just ride that sticker off. You better not kill that sticker. Just ride it till it's gone. Ride it till it's gone. But this truck is sharp, believe me. He got it lit up, everything. He's not gonna give us a taste of it today. He's got some projects and stuff he's gonna work on. He got another project sitting at the house that I want to get on camera too.
Oh, yeah. I got everything lined out with that too. I went and got the tires and everything. I had her out today, man, earlier today.
I was showing him your new tire over there. I told him, I said, I seen a sticker on that. I said, I know that's new.
Yeah, we
I
rolling.
said,
Hey, if it ain't new, we ain't rolling it, man.
Yeah.
That's the way it is, man.
I got $51.
Yeah, he won
You got
50
50.
bucks today.
Man, that's pretty good. I didn't win $50.
Happy birthday.
Hell, I probably didn't make $50 at work all day.
This is his birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. Everybody tell him happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anakin.
Anakin. Happy birthday,
Hey,
Anakin.
You got a t-shirt.
Tell
Boss like a
everybody.
boss.
Right there. Happy birthday to him. Happy birthday.
birthday.
You know what's funny is
like a boss, man.
is my daughter's birthday today too.
Is
She's
it
6.
really?
Yep. Yep. Today's her birthday. Yep.
My teacher said,
Hey, get in the truck. Get in the
show
truck.
like we had
We'll-
Get in the truck.
We'll edit that out,
marbles.
Get in the truck.
man.
Just get in the truck.
We'll edit that one out. We'll edit that one out. But yeah, the truck looks good. It definitely worked. You know, everybody always put in work. I don't think anything ever really done. Hell, even if they has done up everything we could think of, we'd still be sitting around plotting on what we could do next. I think that's just how we are, man. That's just what we do. Like when it's nice, you're outside, you're out doing it. Man, these trucks, both of them look good, look good, look good. Man, I'm telling you, I want to get that the same color, but in the candy and pearl, and where my Bulldog is, put that Wonka logo on there. Get one of them silver tickets in the acrylic case, hang it from the rear view mirror, and let the bass just send it soaring. But paint's expensive though, so we all know that. Oh, I got an appointment for Saturday. Guy from Blackout Tent, yep, messaged him today. And we're gonna go check him out. I think he said on the 21st on Saturday. I gotta message him back. And but yeah, I think we're gonna go out there. So hopefully he'll let me take my camera. So that'd be real cool. So
You got it.
yeah,
Take the
definitely
camera,
so.
man.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's get this thing here. All right, you gotta roll out.
Yeah, I got to get the kids back to the crib.
All right, brother.
Dad's crib.
Good having you on the show, man.
No, sir.
Make sure to watch it. We'll get it posted.
Hey, I got something else new for y'all, man. And my boy, he been out here by my whole side, been watching me like build this whole project. So y'all stay tuned, man.
Yep,
Hey, we
we'll
got
be
something
back.
for y'all, man.
We'll be back.
Gonna be back, man.
Them sunshine
That's
days
for
are
sure.
coming. You hear me coming 2 blocks away. You be like, I already know. He got that camera with him.
Hey, I love you, boy.
All right, brother. We'll see you later. Love you too, man. Stay warm. That's it right there, guys. Trailblazer and Tahoe on 24s, Blazer on 6s, and we're rolling. We're finna roll out of here. I'm not really sure if we're allowed to be out here, but we're gonna take a minute, and that's what we're gonna do. So he rolling up out of here, and I'm about to get back in the Blazer and roll out myself because I am freezing to death out here, folks. Today, it was a nice day. We were blessed with a beautiful day, and I just wanted to take advantage of it and get out and do something. And we just happened to run into Wook and see him, so we got to check that out. So that's pretty cool. I seen Justin driving home. Man, you hear him? There you go. Boom! He got that 350 or something there, man. You know it's big block. No, that's probably not. It's probably small block, but the bigger one I'm rolling, I got a straight 6, and it's quiet, and that's the way I like it. I don't want it loud. I don't like them loud pipes. But anyway, guys, that's what we got. That's what we did today. I think this is gonna be the end of part 2 of a week in the trap, and stay tuned for what's to come next. And you notice I'm working on getting the truck in the background behind me here, so work with me, guys. Bear with me. I'll get better at getting this figured out of where to walk and point the camera as I roll around. Man, the thing's still beating and it's turned down. The power is just there. It don't stop. I love it. Even down low, just powerful. And that's that, guys. Boom. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. To all the subscribers, thank you. We love you. You're what makes our channel. See, there's more to come. Believe me, when it's warm, we wouldn't have been so quick to run off. There probably would have been more of us to show up. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Like, share, comment. Tell me what you think. Let us know what you're doing. Know what you want us to do. But until next episode, we'll see you then. Keep on trapping. I'm inside the Trailblazer now. We were just standing outside. And this is the difference between being inside and being outside. I'm telling you, inside here, outside here, rattle your bones. Keep on trapping, Trevor's.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.